Hi everyone, welcome to an all-new SharePoint tutorial video from Doc 365. I'm Alex Joseph from Doc. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to upload, share and access documents effectively through Microsoft SharePoint. We are in one of our communication sites called DM Brainstorming. To show you how to upload documents to a document library, we will go to the documents library of this site first. So now we are in the document library, and to upload a new document to this document library, we will just click on the upload button here. So click on files and it will show you the files in your hard drive. So we will just choose a suitable file first. So it will start getting uploaded and it will be shown here. This is how you can upload a new file to the SharePoint document library. And if you wish to share this document with anyone, just click on the ellipsis after selecting the file and choose share. From the pop-up that open, you can either enter name of any of your colleagues in the office, or just enter an email address here so you can give them the access, share the document with them. So you can also click on the options and choose whether how you would like to, who you would like this link to work for. Apart from uploading an already existing document, you can also create new documents from the document library itself. For that, you just need to click on the new button here and choose whether you want to create a Word document, Excel workbook or a PowerPoint presentation here, and just choose. We'll just choose the Word document here for a demonstration. And a new file will open in the Word Online. After creating the document, you can name the document by clicking on the bar over here, top bar, and give the name you prefer. I will give tutorial for now, and it will be saved in the share document sections of our DM brainstorming site for now, and it will be saved automatically. You can also choose to save this file in any other location by choosing save as, and save as a copy online, and choose where you wish to save. So all your document libraries will be listed over here. You can just choose any one of them and save it here, save it in that destination. Another option I want to share with you, or a feature I want to explain it with you, is that you can open the documents in your document library in two ways. You can either choose to open it in the browser or open it in the desktop app. In case of a Word document, you can just click on the ellipse. First select the document and click on the ellipsis and choose open, and choose open in browser to open it in your browser itself. These options will let you upload, share and access documents in Microsoft SharePoint from anywhere you want. Hope you find this video useful. That's all for today. Have a good day.